Do you know that you can make money from watching YouTube? It's not just a possibility. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and the best part is that it won't cost you a dime. Today, I'm super excited to share not one, but two awesome ways to do this, and the best part is that both methods are totally free and incredibly easy. In other words, today's tutorial is like a two-in-one session. You can pick one method or even try both of them. With that out of the way, let's move on to the exciting topic of making money online. Okay, so the first step to watching YouTube videos is obviously to visit YouTube. However, I won't advise watching random movies and getting sucked into a rabbit hole of amusing cat videos. Instead, choose instructive subjects or anything that can provoke conversation, such facts. Choose a topic you are actually interested in because this will make the process pleasurable. After all, you want to get paid for something you love, don't you? Mysteries, news, psychology, and more will all make more sense as we proceed. When you locate a video you like, click the share button and then select copy from the pop-up window to copy the video URL. Now visit this website to use the online tool for transcribing videos, and here is the name of the website where you may find it. Don't worry, I'll provide a link in the description to save you the trouble of looking for it. On the online video transcript tool page, paste the copied link and click transcript. In a few seconds, you'll have the transcript. Click the copy transcript button, and then you can use something like Google to search for the transcript. The next step is to select the text and go to this website to access this tool, which will allow you to create a new version of the original article. To use it, paste the text you copied earlier here, then click Rewrite and watch as it is quickly rewritten. Create a new document and paste the transcript in it. Try organizing and editing the sections to make it look like an article. Before we continue, let me share another website that can accomplish the same task. It is phrase.io, and to use it, paste the text here. What I particularly like about this tool is that you can set the article's tone if you want by clicking Generate. Once it is finished, click here to copy the rewritten text. You can use either tool. They are both excellent. I'm just providing you with more alternatives, so once you've rewritten the post and organized everything, keep it on Google Docs, because I'm about to demonstrate how you can begin earning passive income of up to thousands of dollars per month by simply posting this article once. Now go to Vocal Media, where you will be paid every time someone reads your article. To be more specific, let me demonstrate how much this website will pay you. I'll click right here and scroll down to show you. As you can see, it pays you $3.80 for every 1,000 reads, which means the article will earn you $3.80 per month. You're given a decision. Go for quality or quantity. For instance, if you spend about 50 minutes per day publishing one article, you could potentially earn $38 multiplied by 30 for a potential income of $1,140 per month. You've just seen how quick and easy it is to produce these articles, so if you manage to publish 3, you could earn a potential income of $3,420 per month. Here's a clever trick to double your earnings. Join Vocal Plus for about $10 per month. By doing so, you can earn $6 per 1,000 reads instead of the standard $3.80. This increases your monthly earning potential from $3,420 to an impressive $5,400. Use the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for immediate updates, as one of my team members is employing this technique. I'll keep you updated. Be among the first to use the tutorials and strategies we share as well. Some people wonder why certain strategies don't work for them, and sometimes it's because they're a little late to the game. The strategy needs some updates, or it's become more competitive. Additionally, many people have a tendency to give up too soon. Therefore, even if you see a video with high view counts, keep in mind that not everyone acts and many people give up early, as I mentioned earlier, so you should try. Anyway, let's get back on track and finish this tutorial. In order to post an article on this website, you must first create an account. To do this, click on Join and then enter your email address and a password. After clicking Sign Up, you will receive an email with an activation link. When this window appears, read the submission requirements before checking this box and clicking Start. By writing the title and subtitle here, it is self-explanatory. You may add images to your post to make it look more appealing and professional. Click right here to search for images connected to the topic and add them by clicking on them. If you can't find an image that fits your topic, visit a website that offers royalty-free images, such pixels.com. As you can see in the search box, which states Search for Free Photos, this website offers royalty-free images that you can use in your article without any issues. When you discover an image you like, enter what you're looking for and hit the search button. Then, when you go back to Vocal Media, click the Upload Image button, choose the file, and then navigate to the image to upload it. Similar to Pixels, the Unsplash website library is already integrated into Voice Media. So you're probably going to find an image here that matches what you're looking for. Paste your article here, and when you're done, click the Save Changes button to allow you to submit the article. But don't worry if you need to make any changes. Just click on the item you want to change, start typing, and then click Save Changes. Then you can submit the article when you're ready. To offer you more options, I'll provide you a link to another website that pays you at least $100 for each piece. The text broker website is simple to use and browse. When you hover over I Create Material, a drop-down menu describing how it functions will emerge. Another feature I like about this website is the earnings calculator. To access it, scroll down. As you can see, you can choose to focus on quantity over quality. For example, a good 2,000-word article will cost you $110 to write. To sign up for free, click this button, then select the author option. With that in mind, I believe you now have a general understanding of the idea. Locate and watch a YouTube video that you enjoy, and then put some effort into making it into an article that is effective, in my opinion. Strive for quality to make the content stand out and draw in the majority of readers. I know it's not exactly the same as watching YouTube videos and making money, but you've seen how easy it is to turn that YouTube video into something profitable, and there are ways to make money just by watching videos. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover them in future videos. Nevertheless, with this method, you can make a lot of money, as I just demonstrated. I'll keep you updated on the progress. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.